Hello everyone. Here we can start a merge sort topic. Firstly, we can discuss about the what is merge sort. The merge sort is a type of sorting where we can taking the array and uh, divide into the left and right part after we finding the midpoint of the array. Here's the array is given. Firstly, we can find a midpoint and divide it into the left part and right part, and this same process is also appear into the left part and right part. Firstly, the left part mid is find, and the left part left and right part right is also formed after division of the uh, of to finding the midpoint. And this is also samely repeating process into the right part, and this same reporting process into the left part, right part, and this left and right part, and these all left part and right part are divided, and then we can achieve our atomic values of the array. And in this atomic values of array is compare each other. Here's the one atomic array is smaller than the second atomic array, so that the first atomic array is coming from the second coming firstly from the second atomic arrays because of this thing. Mm, the 26 is the less than 54, and this thing the 26 is firstly coming before coming the 54, and this samely compare between this and this array, and then it will be merged into the left part and right part of arrays, and the left one right part is also merging and form the last array. And you can easily understand by this thing. This thing you easily understand, but you more and more easily understand by this flow diagram. Firstly, we can finding a midpoint of the array, and then divide into the left part and right part. And in the left part, midpoint is also formed, and the left part is also divided into the left part and right part is also divided into left part and right part after the finding of the midpoint too. And this is also divided into the left and right. This is also left and right. This is also left and right, and this is also left and right. So left and right part is also compare each other, and the most smaller value into the right and left part, the most smaller value like the 26 is a smaller value greater than the 54. The 26 is coming before the 54 and merge into the array, and then this merging array is called the merging sort. And uh, then after that they also compare to the other arrays, and from the other array, and then lastly they form the final array after the merging, after the comparison, and this is called the merge sort. This merge sort is basically this merge sort uh, is on the topic of divide and conquer. This merge sort is available, and the recursion is also available into this topic. uh, these concepts, recursion and divide and conquer, is appear into the merge sort topic is called merge sort, and you easily understand by this flow diagram which I can see into my video. And I also shared my link of this book which I given, and you can easily understand what is a merge sorting. So basically we can easily understand by this flow diagram, and then we start the code of the merge sort. Firstly, we can discuss by returning the code, and then we can see into the book code explanation. So shall we start this code? So Here's the VS Code is open, and then we can returning the merge sort code. Firstly, we can return the array. We're taking a example of any array. We don't taking the book example. So firstly, we writing the function of the array static static array where static void merge sort and int array comma int psi comma int ei. What's the happening is here. Si is greater than and equal to ei, and then we return int mid is equals to si plus ei divided by 2. Merge sort arr comma si comma mid minus 1, and the merge sort si arr comma psi comma ei mid plus 1 comma ei merge arr comma si comma ei comma mit mid, and then we find the merge function or returning the merge function, not the merge sorted. Merge sorted function is written into this code. This is the merge sorted function, and this time we returning the merge function, not merge sorted function. arr comma int si comma int ei comma int mid. Here's not please available. int merge not merged. We taking temp. Here's a variable, or you take any of the variable name. I taking up temp variable because I want to take temp. I'm mostly taking temp variable. So here's the ei minus si plus 1 and then int I is equals to si comma int j is equals to mit mid plus 1 comma int is equals to 0, comma, while loop is available, I is less than equal to MID and j is greater than equal to 0, and if array I is less than array of j, array of j, so we putting the temp of k is equals to array of I. I plus plus k plus plus else temp is equals to k is equals to array of j plus plus k plus plus okay, here's the while I is less than equal to MID mid and the temp is equals to temp of k is equals to array of I plus plus k plus plus while the j is less than equal to ei of is temp of k is equals to array of j plus plus comma plus plus for int k is equals to 0, comma I is equals to si, I is less than equal to MID made si. What this? What is this? What is this? Man, what is this? Okay. Temp is less than k is less than temp. Why this error is appear into my laptop? Why this is error? Why this error? Why? What is the mistake? Is over here. What is the mistake is appearing in my laptop? What is it? Holy God, I will be writing this. Okay. Is this case? write things which I use, and then this is the whole code. This is the whole code, and this is the not temp. This is a temp. Here I explain my this code. Firstly, we can taking the merge sorted function. In merge sorted function, we can take the array and the starting index and the ending index, and the starting index is greater than or equal to ending index, and return it, and then we can find the midpoint, and then merge sort, and then merge, and then we can find the left part and right part by the finding the midpoint, and then they are merged after the merge into the merge function, and then we can merge by the function the merge, and here you can write the merge function. The in the merge function the si and ei and mid and these the variables are available into the this merge function. Here is the int temp we can take for to taking the array, for to build the array of size ending index minus si plus 1, ending index minus starting index plus 1 size of the temp array, and the temp array uh, of k is equals to ei I. Here's the j is also and I is also here, and this is the whole of this thing you can see in which we are comparing when the array is less than j, so that we can put the array of I into the temp and then plus plus, and the else condition where the j is less than I, so that we can taking the j array into the temp. We can only swap the first and we can only swapping the values of the temp and or the of the temp and array. Here's the while condition is also here, and after that the temp is found. After that temp array is only temp array is available into the array format, and then it will be which values will be are coming into the array of I, and for this we can taking the code, we can write the temp array into the array, so that this is the code of the what we are saying, what I am saying. This is the last code where the array value, where the temp values are all time values are going into the array. This is the code of the going the temp values of the array, and then after that we call the sorted merge sorted sorted comma 0 comma array dot length minus 1 comma. So here we running this whole code. So here's the error is coming. For to solve this error, we can return this whole code into the another folder, and then I can show you this whole code into the another folder, and then we run it, and then our output is coming. So the code of all of merge sorted is written into a new folder, and then I can run this code. and here's the sorted array is formed. This means the merge sort is the code is easily run into another folder, but in the that into that folder there is not running. Another folder is the code is run, and then this code in this code has the string values of the array. Not string is also printed, and then it will print this array of sorted by this code. This code is all of the code is same as as that I show, but I only update this thing into this code. So the I can run this code, and the output is sorted array by the merge sorted. So this is it. So thank you for all you are coming into my channel for to seeing the more sorted, and this and please subscribe my channel and like and share and comment. Thank you all of you for to giving our support.